Good morning, everybody. It is officially February and I'm starting off the month by going on a little trip. I already have everything all packed. I made like a list for all the stuff that I need to get done, but before I leave I need to make sure that I have a few things for the house. So I'm currently at Trader's and yeah, I'm really excited for this vlog. Honestly, I can't wait for all the things that I want to do, which I will reveal where we're headed once we're there, which I'm kind of excited for. So let's go shopping.
I've been all over the world, and I took the finest wine, and I seen the finest dimes. But all the pretty girls come from VA, and it's New York and MIA, and it's PG and run my way, so I'll never have to stay away. No, she gon' wait, ain't nobody gonna free, ain't gon' be there. Keep on young, cause she gon' wanna stay. Pretty girls wanna be gay. Fuck around and find out. She like one of mine, and she mine now. You just turn around and she gone now. She never stayed away alone for the long time. Hey, your best time all the time. Best time she's ever had. Best time she's ever had. Best time she's ever had.
Okay, so I have everything ready right now, my backpack and some goodies in here, and I am currently waiting for my sister and my siblings to come pick me up because it's actually like a family trip and we're going driving not the heater just coming on. But it's gonna be 11 us in a car, so I'm kind of scared, but we'll see how it goes. Ah.
Did you bring that? You're gonna sit right next to the hood, okay? You're gonna sit right next. Oh, grab your backpack. Put it right here in the back.
It has my water and my stuff. Can I put it right here?
Yeah.
So I'm in the car now, and everybody's just chilling. There's like literally 11 of us in the car right now.
Let me have a...
Hi, Zara.
God, he's turning it.
As you guys can see, the environment changed. We got here literally at like 3 in the morning, so it is currently 10 o'clock. We barely had any sleep. So I literally slept in this room. So this is an Airbnb, and it literally has like 5 rooms, I think. We have to run like an important errand today, which is kind of like the main deal why we're here. And I won't get too much into that, but we are definitely gonna go out and look into the restaurants. And yeah, I'm kind of excited because I was here last year and it was really fun. I honestly mostly enjoyed the food, but it's always just nice to go out and just be like in a different environment, I guess. I'll show you guys like a little tour of like the place, but this is the bedroom that I slept in. Kind of cool looking, but here's that. And this is kind of like the entrance of the house. You get in, you obviously see this room, you walk in, and then this is the living room. It is beautiful. That's my mom. And then this is the dining room, obviously. This is part of like the garage. And then you get in, there's a bathroom in here. There's that. And then I'm gonna show you guys upstairs. It's definitely gonna be really loud in here. There's a laundromat room in here so you can wash your clothes. And this is the beautiful master bedroom. It is so pretty in here. Like, I just love everything. It's so pretty. I'm assuming this is the closet. I never really got to go in here, but oh, look at that. It's really nice. Dude, I forgot to show you guys OTD. This is perfect to show OTD. But this is what I'm wearing. I'm kind of slouchy, just casual. And then this is obviously another bedroom. So I don't know, so far I've counted 3. And then that's the laundromat that I was telling you guys about. It's a pretty big house, to be honest, but this is another bedroom. And this is a bathroom. And then that's also another bedroom, but my brother is in there and he probably doesn't want to be disturbed, so. But yeah, I am so happy to take you guys along. I'm kind of excited. And I can't wait to see what we have in store for today, but yeah.
I'll get you. No, I'll get you.
تعالي هنا. No, هنا. Okay, good. The semi truck is literally sideways.
Is it on the left side?
Oh my god.
Oh
I hit the sign.
God! Hold on.
Oh.